Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to get old right-click in Windows 10 and bring back the classic context menu style. Step 1. Press Windows and R at the same time. Type regedit in the box and press Enter to open the Registry Editor. This is where Windows stores settings for your system and programs, and opening it allows us to make the changes we need. Step 2. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes. This confirms that you want to allow Registry Editor to make changes, which is necessary for the next steps. Step 3. Navigate to HKey Currentuser, then Software, then Classes, and finally CLSID. This is the location where we will create a new key to enable the old context menu. Step 4. Right-click on CLSID, select New, then Key, and rename the new key to 86TA1A0, 34AA, 4E8B, A509, 50 C9ZOS 5BE 2A2 ARM. This key will tell Windows to switch to the old right-click style. Step 5. Right-click on the key you just created, select New, then Key again, and rename this subkey to inproc server 32. This subkey is required to complete the registry structure for the old menu. Step 6. Double-click the default value inside inproc server 32 and leave the value data blank, then click OK. Leaving it blank activates the old context menu functionality. Step 7. Restart your computer or restart Windows Explorer by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. Then find Windows Explorer under Processes, right-click it, and select Restart. This applies the changes without needing a full reboot. Step 8. Right-click on any folder or file to see the old Windows 10 style context menu. You have successfully restored the classic menu. To revert back to the Windows 11 context menu, Step 9. Open Registry Editor again and delete the key. Iwan paran 6A1I0, 34AA, 4E8B, A509, 50 C9ZO 5BE 2A2R under CLSID. Step 10. Restart Windows Explorer once more, and the default Windows 10 right-click menu will be restored. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more tips and tricks.